Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share affordable DIY gift ideas just in time for the giving season. I'll be using Dollar Tree items and air dry clay for most of these projects. So let's get started. For my first home decor DIY gift idea, I'll transform a simple $1 glass vase into an aged pottery piece, perfect for gifting. First, I need to create the shape for the rim using air dry clay, and I'll secure the pieces together with glue. I added a piece of polystyrene from the Dollar Tree to the vase to give it structure while I added and molded the air dry clay around it. When it was dry, I used E6000 glue to attach it to the vase for a strong hold and turned it upside down for extra pressure. Most of the vintage vases you see have handles, so I wanted to create little handles and used tinfoil for the shape and size and added air dry clay around the tinfoil. I find this way so much easier when using air dry clay. I then attached them to the vase with E6000 glue. To cover up the seams of the clay, I wanted to create texture and would need to add a layer of primer to the vase first. I then added a thin layer of joint compound all over the vase and let that dry overnight. The final step was paint. I added baking soda to the paint for a thicker texture. Using a very neutral color, I painted the whole vase in this color. And when that was dry, I added a second darker color. I mixed a few colors together to get the color I wanted. Overall, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I think this would make a cute gift for someone or just for yourself. My next project is a gift specific for my daughter as her birthday is coming up. I wanted to create some sort of jewelry tray for her bedroom out of air dry clay. When I first started, I had no idea and no plan. I found a leaf from my garden that I could use to create a shape on the clay. This was not going as well as I thought it would. I tried again, pushing down a little harder. I think I would try something else. I folded the clay over and rolled it out again for a flat surface and tried a third time, pushing even harder. It was a little better, it was getting somewhere at least. In the words of Winston Churchill, on my fifth attempt, I used a different leaf and knew from previous failed attempts I had to press a lot harder to create the shape of the leaf. So I used a magazine and roller. Finally, something I think would work. When it was dry, my plan was to paint it with a similar pink coral color that my daughter has in her room. The first color I mixed was not the right color, so I added a bit of orange and repainted the tray. I then added a gold accent to the rim and leaf shape. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. I think it makes a cute homemade gift, and I hope it will inspire you to create something unique for your friend or daughter. My next idea, I got inspiration from another DIY creator who is very talented and creative using cement. I used items from the Dollar Tree. Can you guess what it's going to be? I mixed equal parts cement oil to water. I did not want the cement mixture to be very thick. I added the towel to the cement mixture and finally onto the vase. And then added some string around the towel to create more of a tapered shape. And I let that dry for a day. I did not want this to look like a towel. That is not the look I was trying to achieve, so I added a layer of joint compound until you could no longer see that a towel was used. The next day I sanded it down so there were no rough edges and wiped it down with a wet cloth. I started to paint this a creamy brown color and added various other colors that I did not really like. Let me know in the comments what color you would have used. I ended up choosing white in the end. The texture was already enough and the other colors seemed overwhelming. White brings a clean, modern look. I'm very happy with the way it turned out, and I think this would make a perfect gift for someone.